The problem with school is they only teach us to give answers and not ask questions. And again, the answer lies in the head of the teacher. And if our answer matches with the answer of the teacher, what she has in her head, then we get good marks. And if it doesn't match with the answers in the teacher's head, then we fail our exams. So what school is teaching us is what to think and not how to think. So what is thinking? Thinking is nothing but asking and answering questions. I think the most basic question to ask is a why questions. So don't accept anything blindly. For everything, keep asking why. Why should I do this? Why should I do that? Why should I buy this? Why should I vote for you? So when you ask questions, you are able to make a better informed decision and you are focused at all times. People in power, whether they are our parents, they are teachers, bosses, gurus, and even politicians, they don't like somebody to question them, right? They hate it. And they hate it because, they have already done the thinking for you. I remember my first boss, one day as I was speaking to him, I happened to start a sentence with the words, I think. Immediately he interrupted me and he said, Rajiv, your job is not to think, that's my job. Questioning is very important, and if you don't question, then you are not making good use of the great machine, our brain, our mind that God has given us. And if you don't use it, then you will lose it. Look at children. Children are constantly asking questions. That is our natural self. And that is how we learn also. But society conditions us and we stop questioning. So don't accept anything or anybody blindly. Always question it.